What is going on, guys? It's Arden Racing back here with another YouTube video, and today we have something very special once again. We have two Volkswagens from the Hot Wheels Boulevard premium set. We have the Volkswagen Drag Bus, and then we have the Volkswagen Deluxe station wagon, and I'm gonna show you both of them. I'm super pumped to have them. It's my first Volkswagen premium vehicles, and it's important as collectors to have this. These are really iconic vehicles, and I'm super amped to be able to share this with you. So first we're going to start with the Volkswagen Drag Bus. I know that this bus can be opened, and I'll get back to you in a bit on what that means. So first we're going to try to open the box. My pen knife it kind of broke, so what I didn't know is you can actually break the tip off and reuse it. Either way, we're going to open this real quick, and then we're going to show you all the little details of this vehicle and why I'm truly in love with this amazing vehicle. So there you go, there you have it. And ladies and gentlemen, the red colored Volkswagen bus. But I just want to show you the back of the car a little bit before we continue. The other cars, not really nice. I really like the two Volkswagens, which are the ones that I got. And yeah, there you have it, the one with the red and white decal on the sides, and of course I can open. I'll get back to that in a bit. Don't not to worry. But let's just start from the front first. We have that iconic huge Volkswagen logo with the headlights. From the sides, I think it's the driver's side. No, the driver's side on this is in the middle. So, there's no driver's side. It's just in the middle. So, here on the left of the vehicle, we have that white stripe. On the back, there is this "Let's Get Salty." Is it salty? Yep, "Let's Get Salty" logo. There's a huge exhaust pipe at the back. Amazing little detail. Super pumped. And this on the right side of the vehicle, same design, nothing much. A huge spoiler. So, Girth Nation, welcome back to our channel. I really love this vehicle. I think it's an awesome little vehicle. For this cost me about $12 here in Singapore, and I got it from Kitty Palace. So yeah, it's a little bit pricey, but anyways. So from the base, we can see the hinges there actually, and I'll show you what the hinge does. So it actually allows us to remove the whole body, and yeah, so it hinges about there, and yeah. So it really allows us to remove the the top and explore the interior. So like I said, the driver's actually in the middle, and behind him there's this huge, massive engine, with that exhaust pipe. Oops. Anyways, yeah, I think this is an insanely amazing piece of car. Really amazing that I can open it. I think if you guys have seen my videos before, I am a huge sucker for removable parts, and this is no exception. So super pumped to have this in my collection. Really amazing. And yeah, let's just have a look again. And for next, we are going to open up the Volkswagen Deluxe Station Wagon. A pretty long name, but a rather cool car. And yeah, let's just try to cut this open with the pen knife once again. It kind of takes a while, so I apologize for that. But let's go. And almost done. I'm sorry, guys. Almost. I'm serious. It's almost done. And a few more seconds, and there you have it, the station wagon. Really amazing. I mean, it brings back a lot of memories. If you guys know the comedian Gabriel Iglesias, he has a huge collection of these Volkswagens. Anyways, we're gonna start. This doesn't remove, unfortunately. I thought this could be removed as well, but it doesn't. So from the front we have. Okay, let's just go at the side first. So at the sides we have that 32. There's a sticker at the back with the racing stripes at the bottom as well, the decal. And from the front we have the iconic Volkswagen logo with the racing stripes and the headlight temples. Really amazing. Here we have the I think it's SE, not 32. I apologize. It's SE bikes. And at the top you can actually see like a texture. It's like. It's not flat. So what I'm assuming is that that's for the convertible roof, or like a removable or a sliding roof. And all these are grooves for the windows as well, so to allow more air to get through, I guess. So yeah, really amazing vehicle. Let's look at the base now. Nothing much in the base. Let me just see if I can get the focus in. So there you go. We have the Volkswagen Deluxe Station Wagon written right there, made in Thailand. Nothing much. Really nice detailed base. The wheels spin better here than the drag bus, which is a bit disappointing for the drag bus. And I thought the wheels would spin, but the wheels are not really that good in that. Anyways, with the back we have the racing right stripe. You can see that little pole inside, right? So that's actually not part of the vehicle. That's actually the rivets that connect the car. So that's a bit disappointing. Anyways, Besides that, yeah, I think it's an amazing vehicle. So let's just look at both of the cars side by side. So these are my purchases from Kitty Palace here in Jurong Point. I got them for $12 a piece. It's a little bit pricey, pricier than normal. It's almost 3 times the price of normal main lines. But anyways, I think this is an amazing little addition to my collection. I think I'm gonna move on from main lines to getting more premiums in my collection, because premiums are way cooler, more details, and they just, I would just want to have a huge collection. And now we're just gonna have a look around, and we're gonna do some few rolling shots. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you get like squad, remember to like the video and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see next and what kind of cars you want me to review. But just like that, I just hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you. And just like that, I hope you guys had an amazing time watching this video. I hope you guys love the cars. I sure for once really had an amazing time reviewing them, looking at them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, once again, remember to like, subscribe and comment, and keep in touch, and check out my TikTok as well for more awesome unboxing reviews. But just like that, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.